Today, we're taking a really practical look at managing resources and rooms right inside Wix Bookings. If you're running a service business, getting this right is, well, it's pretty key for smooth operations.
That's exactly right. The main idea behind setting up resources is making sure your team has what they need. Could be a room, maybe some equipment, even materials. It's all about making sure they can offer their services without a hitch. And remember, this is all internal. Your clients don't see any of this. Just a couple of quick things.
Yeah.
You can have up to 10 resource types. They're available 24/7 by default. And your Wix plan might affect how many you can have.
Okay, good points. Let's make this concrete. So, first step, creating a resource type. You'll start in the resources section of your Wix dashboard. If it's your first time there, you'll see a Get Started button. Click that. Otherwise, you'll just click Create Resource Type.
Yeah, and it's important to understand what a resource type is. It's like a category, right? So think room or yoga mat. Quick tip here. The system adds numbering automatically. So enter room, singular, not rooms. Just helps avoid confusion later on.
Yeah, good tip. Okay, so for our yoga studio, we type in room, then you say how many total rooms you have, maybe 5. And this is neat for the multi-location studio. You can optionally pick a specific location like uptown or downtown for this type. Then just hit create.
Exactly. And you can link it right to the business locations you've already set up.
Yeah, definitely. Another thing to take into account is that businesses change, right? Our yoga studio might open a new location, or maybe they stop using certain rooms. So updating these types is necessary sometimes.
Definitely. Renaming or deleting is pretty simple. Go back to resources, find the type, click the little more actions icon, the 3 dots, choose rename, type the new name, click save, easy.
And the deleting.
Similar process. Click more actions, then delete, and you'll just have to confirm it one more time.
Okay, but what happens to classes already booked with that resource?
Good question. Important point. Deleting the type doesn't remove it from sessions already on the calendar. You'd need to go into your booking calendar and adjust those manually. Also remember, every resource type needs to have at least one actual resource item under it. You can't have an empty category, basically.
Got it. So we have our types like yoga room and yoga mat. Now we need the specific items like Uptown Yoga Room 1 or maybe Yoga Mat A. How do we add those?
Right. So back in resources, find the type you want to add to, say, yoga room, and click Manage underneath it.
Okay, Manage.
Then you'll see an Add Resource button. Click that. You enter the specific name like Uptown Yoga Room 1 or Yoga Mat A. And again, you can optionally pick a specific location like Uptown. Just be a bit careful if you choose all locations. Make sure you can actually provide that resource everywhere without accidentally overbooking.
Makes sense. And editing or deleting these individual resources, say we rename a room or get rid of some old mats.
To edit, just hover your mouse over the resource you want to change, click Edit. You can change the name or the location, then click Save. To delete, hover over it, click the little trash can icon, and confirm Delete.
And like before, deleting a specific mat or room doesn't pull it from existing bookings, right? Still manual.
Exactly. You'll need to handle that in the booking calendar for any sessions already scheduled with that specific resource. Okay, now for the really crucial step. Connecting these resources you've set up to your actual services. This is what ties it all together. It ensures that when someone books, say, morning yoga, the system knows it needs a room and maybe a mat, and it checks they're available. It makes everything run smoothly.
Okay, so how do we connect them for our morning yoga class, for example?
You'll go to Booking Services in your dashboard. Find and click on the service, like morning yoga. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Resources. Click to expand it.
Right.
Then you just check the box next to each resource type that service needs. So for morning yoga, you'd probably check both yoga room and yoga mat. Couple of rules to keep in mind here. At least one item of each selected type has to be free for the booking to happen. If you connect multiple types like room and mat, one of each must be available. You can connect up to 3 different resource types to one service. And importantly, the resources must be available at the same location as the service.
That makes sense. Location matching is key. Then just click Save.
And you're all set for that service. Repeat for any other services that need resources.
Perfect. And that's really it for this deep dive. We've walked through setting up resource types, adding individual resources, managing them, and crucially connecting them to your services in Wix Bookings. So That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips and detailed guidance, you can always head over to the Wix Help Center.